To reset your password, you go to the icon person in the upper right hand corner, click on Settings, and as you can see here, your user information is displayed. You would go down to Reset Password, and then this box will show up. You type in your email address, and then you click Send Verification Code. Verification code should show up in your inbox. There it is right there. And my code is this right here. So I'm just going to highlight it, right-click it, copy it, and place it in the validation code section. And then I'm going to click Verify Code. Continue. And I'm going to type in my new password.